Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up for the dystopia theme on Dress to Impress. So what that basically means is that it's like post-apocalyptic, like that's the theme basically. And for me to describe it more easily, it's like a desert theme. So it looks like you're in the desert, like kind of like futuristic desert. Here, I'll show you. Here's just my makeup. I just did that real quick. And I usually use the just like long hair here in color black. And I use this as well in color that black. You can add like more textures to the hair to make it a little bit more messy. So once you do that, I'm just going to use the like veil. I'm just going to color that all black as well. Then I like to wear this like kind of outfit here. Oops, not that one. This one. Let me just remove that and then select it as a crop top. And then I'm going to use, you don't have to, some baggy pants. I'm just going to add this on first. It's from the Brat Code. You can color that all black as well if you'd like to. And then I'm gonna add in like some pants here and make it like the rib texture. Oops. And color that black as well for this kind of look. And then I'm gonna add like a belly button piercing as well maybe. I'm just gonna add that in first. I might add in the like stars one and VIP. I'm not sure though. What else shall we add to this look? I'm gonna add some boots and I'm just going to color that all like black and stuff. And then I'm going to go to the VIP section. I'm going to use like the fingerless gloves. I'm going to color that black as well. I might color the skirt black, and let me just erase that because I don't really like it. And then I'm going to add like these like flowy skirts, which everyone uses for like layering, but honestly it's good for that. And I might add this one as well from VIP, just to create a more rough look. Then I'm actually going to take these goggles, just put that on. I'm just going to like leave the color as well, maybe like make it a little bit more dark here and make this one a little bit darker as well. But this is what I usually do. You can add a necklace if you'd like to or not. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.